Hey everybody! I'm going to do a Dutch pour on this 12 by 24 inch canvas, and I already put my coat of white paint on it, so you don't need to watch me do that, which is good for you. I'm just putting on my gloves. Alrighty. So the colors I'm using today are self-mixed. So the only one I can tell you is Soho Dioxazine Purple. Then I've got a gold mixed with a copper. And then these are just self-mixed. This one probably has purples and blues. This one has a couple shades of red and Bordeaux. So let's get started. And the purple. And the metallic. And the reds. And put a little bit of extra white around it. I really hope this is nice because I have an upcoming show that I want a new piece for. So I'm really hoping that this could be the one. That looks really pretty. I like it. I love the colors. And the gold will add add a nice shimmer. I'm going to blow it out a little bit more. Oh, maybe I can't. Nope, I can't. Good shape. Just want to make sure I don't have too much paint. Nope. Oh, I do need to torch it. I'm going to get my good torch. I've been using my little tiny torch, but I really like my big one. Oh, there's a glare. It's hard to see. This will be pretty with resin. Maybe, excuse me, frog in my throat. Maybe I'll even put a little bit of mica powder in the resin. That could be pretty. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.